Welcome back, everyone. So do you think your family can dance? If so, you could win big money. Get in shape and help the Children's Miracle Network. Primrose Schools have kicked off the Family Dance-Off Competition. All you have to do is record a 30-second video like these families here that you're watching, then share it via email, Facebook, Twitter, really anywhere that will get you the most votes. Children's Miracle Network spokesperson Isle Higgins is here to talk about the contest and how it can help everyone. I loved looking at the videos. I actually had a chance with my producer to see some of the videos that have already been submitted. They're hilarious.
They're very fun.
Very
fun.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of these and show people like what's already been submitted and how you can do it. Look at this right here, this cute little girl doing the robots.
Yeah.
What's the meaning behind this, Isle?
They're very fun. Well, really, Primrose, who is a leader in education for early childhood, they've teamed with Children's Miracle Network around the issue of childhood obesity. And the idea, of course, is starting at a very young age. So the idea is, of course, getting kids moving and making it a whole family event. So the idea is the earlier that we start in terms of health and thinking of health and education as being fun, the earlier we'll stick with it. So that's really, it's as simple as that. So the idea is to keep it simple and fun. And look at this little guy. He's hysterical. You know, the only thing I would add is not just focus on the children, but it needs to be a family event. So we got to get the parents or the grandparents or whoever's there in the house involved with it.
I love this. Here's the third video we're going to show you, and they are getting into it. Look at that.
They are all into it. But, you know, we got to get the adult from behind the camera, and it needs to be a family affair.
Yes.
We want to see it so that it also it has that impact on the kids, so that they do get the message that it's a whole family event, and so that it is about health as well.
Yeah.
And
there's so many kids who are just not active.
And that's right. And you know what? You know, it's like, look at these, look at this, you know, here we go. It really, for us here in Kansas City right now, perfect opportunity. We're so tired of being inside with these blizzards and all this snow.
Yeah.
You know, get out and do something fun that we can do inside while it's warm.
What do the families win?
This is great, because the family can win $5,000.
Wow,
Who doesn't need that right now?
Of course.
And the opportunity
for a 30-second video.
For a 30-second video, and the opportunity is huge, because the reality of this thing, Curtis, is there's not that many that are out there right now. A lot of time with these kind of viral things, you're up against thousands.
Oh yeah.
There are only 20 entries.
That's it
for the country. 20 entries right now.
When does it end?
It ends March the 19th.
Okay.
And you can vote daily. This is a viral thing, and right now, I'm sad to say, we don't have any entries in Kansas City.
I saw that. Kansas, yeah. And
Kansas
think we looked
City,
at
come
Missouri,
on.
too, and it was like limited. I mean, so we need to really get going on this.
So we got to get going and make those videos. Yeah. And the great thing is $5,000 for the family, but it's a $30,000 give for our local Children's Miracle Hospital, which, as everyone knows, here in the Kansas City area, it goes to KU Medical Center's Pediatrics. So go out there. There's a slot where you select your hospital and you upload your video, and then you get everyone around the country that you know to vote for you.
Yeah, I love it.
You know, you put it on your Facebooks and your websites, and there you go.
Yeah, that is so great. For more information, you can log on to our website, NBCActionNews.com, and click on health.
Exactly.
There you'll find a link to enter Primrose Schools Family Dance-Off Competition and other details. $5,000, $30,000 to the Children's Miracle Network.
Or you can go to our website, cmnkc.org, and there's a link right to Primrose Schools, and you can get to it from there. Or go to familydanceoff.com. .com.
.com.
Thank you, Curtis.
All right, thanks, Isle, and we'll be right back, everyone.